Yeah, go, Steph. Go, go, go. Ooh. Yes. Smart. Yeah.
You can switch partner if you want. Look at this eye. Turun, pegang itu dulu.
You don't believe that your body can go through such extremes, you know, being in the ice, walking across the fire. It's just such a great way to break through some of your mental barriers because you just don't think that you can do it. And it was a 10 out of 10 experience. Highly recommended to everybody to just give it a go. I definitely learned some new things about myself today. Thank you.
Hello, we're from the Super Risk Group. We've travelled from quite a few countries, Hong Kong, Singapore, Australia, and we've just done the Fire, Ice and Tire Challenge here as part of our work conference experience. Not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous before I had to work on the coals and go into the ice bath, but very relaxing, the ice bath. I feel like I can run a marathon now, and definitely conquered my fear of walking towards fire because you'd normally walk away from it. So thank you so much for the team that have helped us. If you're interested in doing this for your work, bring them in and have a go and contact the organizer of the Commune Hotel. Thank you.
Was the firewalking. I think it was great. The preparation was great. You talk about some personal stuff before you actually psych yourself up to do the activity, so I thought it was good. And thereafter we did the ice bath. Never done it before. It's the first time. I think it's a breakthrough for me. I'm not a fan of ice, but especially with your whole body is in ice, so that's good. And then the last one we did the tire run, the relay. I think that was also pretty fun. I've never done this, very interesting. kind of difficult actually. We think it's easy, but it's pretty difficult. But yes, it was
1
fun.
to 10.
Yeah.
How would you like to recommend this for other company to do it? Singling.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. Everyone should give it a go, especially if you've not done it before. I think it'll be an experience. Yeah.
Done.
The Firewalk and the ice bath, which is really great because I never thought I can do it because I'm quite fear of the fire. In beginning, when I heard about Firewalk in our travel itinerary, but after that, I feel like, it's I'm proud of myself, breakthrough this. And the ice bath is really cool as well, but I didn't take it so long. I take it like 1 minute only, but it's a really good experience at all. Yep. So thank you.
Do you recommend this for any other company to do it?
Yes, I will, definitely will. And even though I will bring my friends and maybe families to the event as well.
Okay, 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10, I think 11.
11.
Yeah.
Oh.
It was amazing. It was a life-changing. I feel very much connected to my colleagues and team members. Things that I've never done before, just highly recommended.
From today's activity, which one is a highlight?
Firewalking was spectacular. I leave here with a lot of fire in my heart and a lot of fire in my feet.
I'd say the ice baths, very therapeutic, good feeling, pushes you to the limit, and you're able to do something that you've never done before.
I feel closer to God, is what I feel after that experience. The angel spoke to me today.
It was beautiful. Thanks very much. We'll do it again.
Okay. 1 out of 10. For other company to do this activity.
1 out of 10? 10.
10?
10. 10.
No, 10's too low.
10 is too low.
I'll probably give it at least a 10.1. And the 0.1 was just basically just the company and the experience that the staff here showed. It's probably life-changing. I don't think I've said that too many times in my life, but today's one of those days.
Yeah, it was epiphanies. Yeah,
Yep.
Epiphanies all around. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.